Hello guys, how are you? Oh my god, I'm really sorry. I'm long time I haven't uploaded any video clips. I'm quite busy with my family issues. But I always miss you to share all this useful the hacking knowledge informations and how to use the commands. Okay, finally I get back to you. Okay, really sorry for the long time missing. Okay, today I was sharing all these previous video clips, right? Then I share all these other Linux command, how to do the nmap scanning, how to use the command on the Linux. This time I will share some command. It's really useful for the system administrator, or whether you are the vulnerabilities penetration testing or whatever. So you can use these commands, some window commands, especially the PowerShell command. So you can use it, how to use it on your Windows operating system. I will share you some useful command. Okay, let's start with. So before we go to the PowerShell command, right, you can type here. Okay, anyway, you can type window and R key, then you can hear PowerShell. So the PowerShell prompt will be automatically open. Or you don't want to try this one, also you can use the command line, or maybe, okay, I will close back. Then you can use the cmd, right? Then you can type PowerShell. So whatever, you can choose any method, whether you want to type directly PowerShell or you want to switch back from the command prompt to PowerShell, is up to you. Okay, so let's start with the some useful command. The first one is I want to share how you can check the computer informations. Okay, maybe if you have already experience in the window administrator knowledge or whatever, you have some command previously. We use the system info. This is the cmd command, but that you can also, sorry, the type to use on the PowerShell prompt as well. So the system info will be show the same system information. Actually, this is the old command. It's not the PowerShell command. This is the command prompt, the PowerShell sorry, the command prompt commands. You can see that the on server name or this thing, but only you can see the few information. You cannot see a lot of information. But PowerShell, there is another command. You can use it if you really need it. Just get computer info, so that you can easy to remember, right? So you want to see, you want to see the computer information, just type get dash computer info. So that one you can type anywhere, whether it's the case capital letter or small letter, it doesn't matter. You can get the output after you type the computer info. They will generate a lot, so you can see that, right? So okay, so this is the window build, and then what is the current version currently you install, what is the server, the flavor you are using, data center or whether standard editions. Currently I'm using some downloaded from the internet. It's a 2012. So I think 2009 version is it. This is window version 2009. And then our root directory is the c colon window, and there's a window user, and then the server operating system is the 2022 data center evaluation. Okay, so this is some, you can check all these details, the BIOS manufacturer, then when this the BIOS release, all this, all these details you can check. If you really need it, you can use this command. I think you can see all the useful information inside it. If you want to see your computer, the CPU processor information, everything, it's really amazing command. You can see everything from the one command to output everything. It's much better than just now we ran the system info, right? So I really recommend you should use this command if you need to check some information. For example, your computer has something wrong, so you send to this system repair center, and they want you to, or maybe you call the support guy. Hey, my computer has something wrong, how to check this info, and then they ask you to check, right? And then you can run this command, easy to check all this information. Also, you are doing some, you know uh taking the some information from the Windows server during the penetration testing or whatever, then you can see all this information. I really recommend to use this command. It's quite useful. Okay, so second comment, I want to share the uh, how to check your process information. How many processes are currently running on the your Windows server? Okay, Windows server. You can, I will clear the screen. Then what is it? All these comments are quite easy to remember. Just get process. Just now we grant this command, get computer info. This is for checking the computer information. But when you check in the process, just get process. Enter. So you will see all this currently running process. Okay, this is the process name, this is the ID number currently using, this is how much CPUs are using for that process. This was the memory information. So I think it's also really better than our previously, right? We are using the test list. So this is the previously we can use this TKLIST, TSKLIST test list. So that comments the can only see the PID number, services, and memory usage. Okay, but you cannot see the CPU information, how much percentage are using. So this comment is quite useful. You can mix with the two comment to see whether which one is more useful. You can use that, right? So you can check CPU information if you are something feel that suspect that some informations are not really your computer is hanging, or you want to check how much CPU usage running. You don't have the graphical modes, you can use this command to check how much CPU you are using on the services and PID number. Okay, so this is the same lah. Actually, this one you can write test list, and then you want to check the on the PowerShell, you can use this get process command. So yeah, I really recommend this command as well. It's quite useful. And then CPU information is much better than memory information. You need to know what how much CPUs are using to run in this process. So you want to use the test list is test manager is use the graphical mode, right? This is a command line to check the CPU information, everything. This one is a memory information. Okay, so this is a second command. I think you can try on your Windows server. Is another one is that you can check how many network connections are currently connecting to your computer to remote system, so that you can check get network net TCP connection. All these commands are is, I think the PowerShell is specifically user to remember the command. Even the command is quite longer, you can easy to remember, right? So get net TCP connection. So you will see that all these TCP connections. Okay? Currently, because I haven't established any connection, all are listening. So okay, I will go and open the whatever. I will browse the Google. Then you will see a lot of internet connections. Wait, I don't know what happened. Okay, just browse the Google. Hello, Mr. Google. Show me some information. Okay, browsing. Okay, it's very slow. Okay, anyway, I will run the comment here. Same comment. Let me clear the. So you will see the some connection, start to establish it, because just now I open the browser to browse the page, so that this IP address might be from the Google 204.79.197.239. So yeah, you can go and check on this IP address whether it is from the Google or not. I'm not sure, I don't want to show here. So you can try yourself. This one is you can check is something malicious, or you want to check during the penetration testing which connections are currently established from the internet. You can easy to find out whether is there any malicious IP address, or whether this connection to is connected to which remote system. You can easy to find all this port number, remote port number.